So this is the engine that's going to be going in my Mk1. It's the 1.8 20 valve turbo, so Mark 5 Golf GTI. It's a AUQ code, so it's got a higher brake horsepower than the standard one, but plus I've done quite a few wee things to it. This is it's got the IDR8 coil pack, the coil pack converter there, Kevlar timing belt, plus lots of other wee bits and bobs. Looking nice. Here's the gearbox, my turbo, the intercooler. So all this just needs to get put back together again and get put back in the car. I've powder coated all different parts, and you can just see sprayed the block. All the head was vapor blasted, stripped and vapor blasted, and then built back up again. Need to replace the thermostat. Put an upgraded thermostat in it as well. Need to replace the water pump and stuff too. It was all vapor blasted, but it really needs replacement. That's on its way. The block was resprayed, the full block, and the sump was all vapor blasted as well.